Let me read your mind. You downloaded Bumble and created a Bumble profile convinced that a woman could not resist your charm, only to find out that your beeline is empty. Sounds familiar? That's what happens when your profile isn't the best. Don't worry, in this video I'll tell you exactly how to improve your Bumble profile to get those matches coming your way. I'm Koen, the founder of Ovalo, a dating management company where we do the texting, you do the dating. And make sure to stay around until the end of the video to learn the easiest way how to get an irresistible Bumble profile. Now let's get started. The first and most important thing on your profile are your photos. They are your way to show who you are in real life and stand out from all the other guys. So don't waste this chance with bathroom photos and gym selfies. Avoid wearing sunglasses, make sure you're well groomed, and make sure that the lighting is good. After that, here's some options for good photos that you can use. These include activity-based photos, photos with pets, group photos, close-up, vacation shots, showing your body, pictures with celebrities, if you have them, and mystery shots.
But Koen, I can only add 6 photos on Bumble. How can I fit all of that?
You can, and that's the point. Choose only the ones that make you look good, that fit your personality, and then create a profile that will be attractive for the kind of person that you want to match with. To pick the best option, it's a good idea to ask girls their honest opinion about the photos you have and go from there. You can also test your photos on this cool website called Photo Feeler. This is also what we use for our clients when testing the before and after photo. If you don't have any good photos, stay away from selfies and avoid asking your mother for help. What you should do is get a professional photo shoot or ask a friend to help you. Next step into an irresistible profile is your bio and prompts. It's true that you don't need this after opening your account, but believe me, they will help you a lot. Get creative with the 300 characters available and say something about yourself that makes her intrigued. The perfect bio combines interest, entertainment, and attraction, what we call the IAA model. You can learn about that in this video. Prompts are an extension of what you reveal about yourself, so choose wisely and make sure that the answers follow the same model. When you do this correctly, she will start the conversation with something much better than just hey, and you'll be one step closer to meeting her. Hearing somebody's voice can spark a lot of emotion, so don't skip on this. Pick a prompt that appeals to you and rehearse the phrase a few times. You can also write it out beforehand so it's easier to know what to say. Before hitting record, double check that you won't get interrupted and that your place is silent, that there are no echoes and that your mic sounds nice and crisp. If you can, make your voice deeper so it sounds more sensual. In the beginning, Bumble will ask you to pick up to 5 interest badges. Don't waste this extra chance to tell about yourself. Look for the ones that resonate more with you and select them to make it easier for her to choose a topic to talk about. It's also recommended that you fill in your personal information and your preferences. Stay aware that you want to portray yourself in the best way possible. Women don't get impressed if you're into gaming and sitting on your ass watching Netflix. Remember, you're trying to market yourself. Speaking of the profiles that you will see, take a minute to adjust the filters. Think about the kind of people that you want to meet, the type of connection you like to have, which traits you like and dislike, and consider if distance is an issue for you. It can be annoying setting up your preferences when all you want to do is swipe and match, but if you want better results, it'll be worth it. The last part of your profile is your texting skills. Technically, they aren't part of your profile, but what's the point of having amazing photos and fantastic prompts if you will blow it by sending horrible messages? Here's a winner tip for you. Use the IEA model. This will save you from losing those matches and getting dates when you use it correctly. That was everything you can do to improve your Bumble profile, but before you go, there's one more thing. If you need support with selecting photos, finding a skilled photographer, editing your photos, getting styling advice, or even having somebody do all the texting for you, there's a magical option. And that magical option is us. I know, hard sell out, but if you're in need of it, this might actually be a very good solution for you. Just go to ovalo.com and book a call and let's see what magic we can perform for you. That was it for this video where you learned how to improve your Bumble profile. A quick recap of the things that you need to do: upload a set of your most attractive and varied photos, fill in your bio and prompts following the IEA model, add an audio prompt to spark bigger interest, and choose 5 badges of interest and adjust your settings according to your preferences. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more content like this. See you in the next video.